Okay, so I'm working my 1987 325 E30, and I was hearing something underneath the car. I thought it was center support bearing, but apparently this piece here, the collar, had come off, totally come off. So all I did was disconnect the muffler, disconnect this donut that holds the exhaust up. I just bent the tip down so that I could slide it off. You can bend it with a plier, and I was able to just push over the shield. It's really tight space, but I'm able to just take it, slide it over so I have room. And that collar here was totally off, disconnected. So I reconnected it. I think the previous person didn't put it tight enough, and then it just slid right off. You got to put it tight. So I am still tightening it down. And I'm looking here, the center support bearing looks good. No, it's solid, pretty solid, I think. But this is totally off, so I'm gonna work on that first by tightening it. And what I did was just use a plier, if I can find my plier here, because that's very important to show you what I did. Wait, let me just pause it. Okay, so I've got this plier, and I'm just gonna go at an angle like this. You can see that it's kind of flat there, so I'm going to grab the edge here. I'm going to turn it. See how it turned? I'm going to tighten it as much as I can, because it's important it's on tight. That's what I think. So I'm going to keep tightening this until I don't see the threads all the way to the end, and then I'll go for a drive, put it all back together. It saved me a lot of work, because I thought I had to take the whole drive shaft down. I actually bought the center support bearing already. I was gonna swap it, but this is a new axle drive shaft. You can see the arrow there. I thought it wasn't put on balance. I thought it wasn't put on balance, number one, because there's two dots, white dots, that should line up, the front and the back dot. That's what I thought, or I thought the center support bearing was already loose, but I did not think that the collar had come off. This collar had come off because in the repairs it showed that the previous owner changed the drive shaft. Whoever did the work did not tighten this down enough, and driving it just slid right off. So it's not going to slide off if I tighten it as much as I can. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.